Penny here from the Junk Journal Ministry, and that's just Penny. And I told you that I was going to show you how to create this cover and the special spine design. It is a ring bound, yes, but it also has, I called it an accordion because there's also accordion spine that you can use for hinges. And I just punched the holes to put my rings in. But one thing about this is there's enough clearance in here so that you can hide the rings. The rings have these little joint of the hinges, and it's a hinge, I guess. It's a little joint, and it just bugs me whenever it kind of gets stuck, or it kind of gets, so this allows it to be hidden in there. That makes any sense. So I'm going to show you about how to make this cover and how to make sure that you have not an alligator mouth when you're done. So they're a 1/2 inch little binder rings. So but anyway, I wanted to show you how I made this. There are templates. So accordion spine journal and page design, playbook and workbook number 8. And this goes with it as well with my soul kit. It is well with my soul huge kit, and this goes with it. With this page design, playbook, and workbook, there is always, of course, this tells you about the copyright, but there's what I'm talking about. So this one also, so there's 2 different worksheets, right? This is the flip view. So meaning if you're flipping the book, okay, this is what that means when you're flipping the book. Okay, that's what that means. This worksheet, this is part of the workbook. This workbook allows you, it shows you about A pocket, B pocket. It shows about how that it's supposed to look before you put this accordion spine on. And I called it that, but you can call it whatever. I called it a no-sew. So in the previous video, I told you that you're going to have your cardstock cut. You're going to need 2 of these. This says cover, and I also marked cardstock. So I'm going to get 2 of these cut out, just out of old cereal. I think it's a waffle box or something. And then I'm going to actually, now if you don't want to print the printables, the templates are there. So this is the spine, the little hinge spine that you're going to poke holes in and put your rings in. Here I have the cardboard, and I'm going to cut the 2 pieces for the cover out for my book board. Here I am testing the grain of the cardboard so that I can match the grain of the cardboard to the grain of my paper, and I learned that from Nick the Booksmith. Cutting the covers out, I'm going to put the template back, and then I'm going to pick the paper that I want to cover the book boards in. And I'm still here, I am checking the grain of the paper. I'm going to use the Eileen's Tacky Glue to glue the cover boards to the paper. I'm mottering the corners. I'm going to use my burnishing tool to score those lines so that I can fold and glue easier. There's a step. I'm going to continue covering the cover boards front and back. So this is the front. I'm going to go ahead and cover this one and miter the corners like I did on the first one. And once I have this one all glued down, I am going to cut 2 more pieces from the template to cover the back of the boards up. Stay tuned for part 2 of this tutorial. We'll be moving on to the spine.